back in the Civic again. So today we're going to change the OME steering wheel to another OME steering wheel, but this one is from a Honda S2000. There's a guy on YouTube that's done it with his car, so I quite liked it. Gives the car a fresh new look, and it's smaller than that wheel, so hopefully less turning lock to lock as well. Obviously naturally when we do the suspension, do the camber and stuff, the car will be quicker with its steering. I'm not going to do a steering wheel rack chain because that's utterly pointless. Just going to utilise what we got. I've undone the clips at the back to get to the airbags. This will all mate up to the existing airbag system. Worst case scenario, if something bad happens, airbag will deploy.
You want to undo the battery?
Yes, you undo the battery so it doesn't explode in my face. That would be nice, yep. So we're going to undo the battery, so take the negative off, and then we'll get going. Oh, that's what I was meant to buy. I forgot when we were at Euros. What? You know, the contact cleaner for batteries.
Brake cleaner? Thank you.
No. There's one that keeps it so it doesn't corrode anything. There's another one.
Oh, right. Or why didn't you just use
well, that's the thing. But at the same time, because we're going to put the Apple CarPlay unit in, then we're going to upgrade the speakers. So probably going to need a more powerful battery anyway at some point.
You see the battery now?
Yes, I've seen the battery now. You killed it, for no apparent reason.
Yeah, well, I ran that same system in the Golf with the MX-5 battery. It's fine. So.
Yeah, but I don't know what brand or what voltage this battery is. Got no naming on it.
You'll know one day when it goes dead.
Right, fun times. Disconnect the battery.
There we go.
Okay. Happy days. We'll get talking. So you said the T30 socket. So one of these. Feels like going back to Euro now with these T3 sockets. Well, I guess it's a safety thing as well, isn't it? Alright, let's get these undone and take the keys out. So there's one over. Where did I see it?
To the side there.
Oh yeah. It's hard to feel out. I don't know where to get it.
It's just in a specific place. There we go. They don't come out all the way, though. They don't.
No.
If you played them, they sort of come out so far, so and then they just stay in there.
Yeah. Oh.
I mean, as long as it's cracked up, obviously, then you can.
Yeah, it's cracked up. Right, what are the bolts? Have we got another one? I think these bolts are for the airbag.
Yeah, and then you pop the center out. There's a flap on the bottom as well. Is that some fault?
There's another one down there. See. That's one. Okay, it's a lot looser. So there's another Phillips screw there. There's another one down here. I think that's probably it.
I don't know if that has any relation to it.
That's for the airbag connect. What else will we take out there?
So I think we just need to loosen off those a little bit more.
A little bit more.
And that can pop out and then we'll be able to hear everything.
Cool.
Not like every experience. Like
No.
I've never done a one before.
Just getting that to fit in.
Can you just do it by fingers?
That's what I was thinking on. But my part isn't going to be long enough.
That one's loose now. Just the other side.
Cool. To be fair, I think that's one of the best mods that we've done. So it's sat at the bottom of the water. Okay, there we go. That's a disconnect. Yeah. So the airbag is off. Just the need to disconnect. Is it the red one here?
You can do it from that end.
No, it's this one. It's the. I think it's the whole bit here, dude. Oh, there we go. So if I then, can you pull that out? There we go. And then, oh, you grab that. I'll hold that. It's quite heavy still. So there's a little back paint off there, so I took that just off here. So little clips that's gone onto the floor. What type is it? Push to the side. Let's have a look.
Oh, there we go. So you push that down.
Oh yeah, cinch that down. And then disconnect the horn, whatever it is. Yeah, I think that's the horn wire.
Stubborn. Very stubborn.
There we go. So the black wire. Okay, airbag's in my hand. Wow, look how heavy that is. There you go. So that one's for the airbag and that one's for the horn. You got it? And I just want one, just part of me's thinking just take that bracket off with the Phillips screw.
Have you got a new one with the new one?
Actually, we'll take that apart when we'll take the screws out of that, innit?
Yeah.
Part of me's like, leave this how it is at the moment.
We've still got to get the sun and out anyway.
Yeah. Obviously when that comes out and stuff, innit, we'll just suck it to it. We'll look on that one and that new wheel.
Yeah. There's the tool. The ratchet.
Yeah, even the ratchet for that. Yeah, because worst case, just take the bracket off. Have you got the Phillips?
There we go, there's actually a clip on the back.
Okay.
It's on the back hidden.
I don't want to just leave in place, I don't want. Yeah, okay. Trying to think, because this has got a different thing in it. How's that connecting to that one?
We'll have to take that one off and we'll figure it out.
Cool.
See what we get left with.
Alright. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see where it is, dude. You know, like the clip here? Yeah. It's this one, you know that metal bit here? It's that one here, innit?
Alright.
So gather that, we'll plug into that, and obviously the wire does move. So you can just bring it across as well. Alright, I'll hold it.
Put the steering lock on.
There you go. Steering wheel lock on. Are you done it already? Yeah. Callum, super mighty man. Well, that's really disturbing, the fact that you only done it. No, Panga, put it back in a little bit.
So when you pull it, you don't.
Yeah, so pull it, smack your face, smack yourself in the face. Alright, if you hold that, dude, I'll actually do some work now.
And give it a bash as well from the steering. That's it.
Yeah.
Give it a bash from behind the steering wheel if you can. There we go.
Cool, take that.
Is it a, does it only go on one way?
Yeah, only one way.
That's alright.
Keep that nut. Hopefully this works.
just got to route the wires through that.
But that's way tighter.
Try not to spin that, by the way, for anyone wondering too much, because there's a ribbon in there, so if you get it in the wrong position, it will snap the ribbon inside. It's like a copper ribbon, and that's for the airbags, so your airbag light will be permanently on. There is locating dowels on the back of there.
Trying to find them.
That's it.
Is that it? Yeah?
Yeah, but did the steering wheel come off that angle? I feel like it didn't. So I mean, it's not. I
thought it would fix.
This one doesn't go on the same way, does it? I think it was more like that way.
Yeah.
Get the wires through there.
So I thought that would.
It's easier, right? So actually, there's 3 marks there. See, someone's painted them on, and then there's 3 marks here.
Okay.
Try see if you can line them up.
Is that about right? Is that right?
Looks alright. I mean, worst case scenario, you have to take it back off and move it again.
So
But the original one did it have dowels? Like it only goes on one way, or?
No, I did nothing, dude. Look.
Yeah. So easiest way, like if we'd have thought about it sooner.
Look crosses here.
Yeah, if we'd have thought about it sooner, what you can do is Tipex mark them.
Yeah.
But obviously, when you're replacing a steering wheel, you can't Tipex mark that steering wheel in the same place. So.
So I was gonna say let's just.
But the fact that someone's painted the inside on the column, and then there's 3 marks on the steering wheel.
This is gonna be a bit of a tight fit. Are you gonna fit in there?
You can bend it out if you need to, and then push it back in.
No, just in that contact. Okay, so if I technically, it won't work in it.
No, the battery's still off.
So that's clipped in.
But it's from these points anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it'll be fine.
That back. Put that wire, put it in that bracket there, tuck that out. And then this one, that's the new airbag. Where's the new airbag? Is that the right way?
Yeah. You just need to squeeze it up, remember, that's spring loaded. That's it.
Cool.
Put the bolt back in. Put the big centre bolt back in first.
Oh yeah, that would help. It's in my hand.
Otherwise that's going to cause you some problems. You accelerate with vtec and your steering wheel comes flying off.
So I'll hand tighten that first. That's about enough, isn't it?
You saw how I got it off, so we'll go with it.
That's 14 millimeter.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine. That'll be enough. I didn't put that much effort in to get it off, so.
Cool. Guess what?
Does the wire clip into there? So
yeah, that's got his little housing in it. I have to take that.
that's it. It goes on the side, doesn't it? That's it. Perfect.
Cool. Yeah. Oh wow! Look at
And
that.
just like that.
It looks amazing. Look. Look, oh, it looks way smaller.
Yeah.
The old steering wheel out here.
So you just need to put your 2 T30s back in. And then that little flap. I've got 4 of them here. So out. You can see the hole on there. You just hold this one for me.
Cool.
And I'll tighten that one up. If you need the tool, it's in place, but we'll need obviously tightening up. Yeah, it looks loads better. Factory fresh.
Yeah, I'll be happy when the horn works. Saying that, this horn does sound terrible.
Wow, yeah.
Well, it's just that it was it them two?
Yeah.
I was going to say steam wheel
Need to do that one as well.
Well, it was nice of Honda to make everything fit. It's going to be a slow one.
Just actually do it from the top.
Yeah.
So, need to put a little flap back on.
Cool.
Wherever that is.
We'll leave the flaps off first, innit? Until we test out the horn work.
You have little faith. I have lots of faith that it's going to work.
Yeah,
We need to put the battery thing on first before we
go ahead.
It'll be fine. Right, need me Spaniard. Where did I put it? Yeah.
I feel it looks awesome, man.
It looks loads better.
Yeah. I'm still adamant about having the little hands here.
Yeah.
I know you can get it on any other wheel, but yeah. Obviously the horn does sound terrible, but... Oh yeah. Still, the wheel's straight on the floor there.
Well, you'll never know until you drive it, honestly.
Yeah. I've had that before when I've been, I'm like, oh.
Yeah. No airbag light?
No.
There we go.
Right. I guess we'll have to take it for a test drive. Get it going.
Well, I'll get the motors out your way and then you go around the block.
Go around the block. Hitting them corners hard. Oh man, it's so better. Look. Just the holding in it, like it's a bit more thicker as well.
Right. Take over. I'll get moving some stuff.
Yeah.
These are the old Airbag 230s for the old one.
Oh yeah, so one because that had like 4 points. But yeah, we're all in. Happy days. I'm really pleased with that. Another good mod with that, the gear knob and the steering wheel. This should make the car feel a million times better. It's in good nick. Obviously there's little nickels here, but nothing end of the day. It's gonna sort of. I like the fact that it's a little bit aged. Because something like that, something that's massively brand new, will tend to stick out like a sore thumb. At least it mixes in with the rest of the car as well. I'll give it a clean anyway, just to sort of go with everything. But we'll take it for a drive, see what the old girl's like. I'll put the camera on my head. There we go. Push that back. I'll help if I shut the bonnet. I'll get that. I'll quickly shut the bonnet in it. Need the aero. That's the aero up. Okay, put this to the side, put that to the side, put that to the side. Lift up. Oh. I am really happy with this. Makes it a million times better. Just want to check everything before I put the covers back on. There we go. Oh, it's a million times better. Like just having that smaller wheel. Okay, slightly off. Smart to take it back off. I think we need to move it. Yeah, it's a bit too much to the right. Take that. Oh, yeah, we've got right. Yeah, so we're going to just turn the camera off. It's slightly off by 1 notch, so I'll get that changed and we'll be back to be driving normally. You can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera that it's slightly off to one side. I want to hold it straight. But yeah, it's like a little bit, look, see there, that's all straight. But we'll change it up and see you guys in a bit.